guys, it's Miss Stacy from KidCity, and it is my favorite time of year. It's almost Easter. So today I was hoping that you guys would make some Easter snacks with me. So we're gonna need 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. We're gonna need 4 cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, and some plastic Easter eggs, some cooking spray, and if you have it, I need you to get some dye. If you don't have it, that's okay. These can just be plain Easter eggs. So let's get started. Okay guys, so you're gonna wanna melt down with an adult your 3 tablespoons of butter, and then you're gonna add your marshmallows. Okay? It's gonna get all fluffy and sticky. And if you're anything like me, you like a lot of color. So I'm gonna add some food coloring. If you don't have food coloring, remember guys, that's okay. We're gonna throw a bunch of food coloring into our marshmallows. Whoa. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. It's getting sticky. So once it's sticky and cloud-like, you're gonna add your Rice Krispie treats. We'll do that slowly so I don't make too much of a mess. This is going to give us blue colored Rice Krispie treats. Add a little bit more. And it's getting harder to turn and spin. It's going to be so sticky. When you get to form your eggs, that's going to make it so much fun. Okay. So once it's stirred up really well, start forming your eggs. So after you've melted down your Rice Krispie treats and you've turned them a really cool color, you're gonna stuff them inside of your Easter eggs. We wanna take our Easter eggs and we wanna spray them really good with a cooking spray so they don't stick. So you'll take your Rice Krispie treats. I'm gonna use my spoon, but if it gets too hard, you can use your hand. That might make it a little bit easier. A little bit sticky, but a lot of fun. We're gonna stuff those in there. And we'll close them up and let them rest for just a little bit. And then when you're done, you'll open it up and you'll have these really fun Easter egg snacks. So I hope that you guys can do this with me and share with me on the comments below what your Easter eggs look like. We'll see you next time. Bye.